What if I told you that right now, you can create almost unlimited AI videos without paying a single dollar? Not a free trial. Not one of those 7-day plans that force you to upgrade later, but an actual system that lets you generate AI videos over and over again for YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, or Instagram Reels. And here's the crazy part. Almost nobody is talking about this tool yet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow I personally use to create AI videos in just a few minutes. Starting from the idea, generating the visuals, and assembling everything into a finished video ready to upload. If you're into powerful AI tools that save time, automate content creation, and even help you make money online, make sure to subscribe to the JACKY AI Flow channel right now. And definitely watch this video until the end, because if you miss just one small step, you might miss a trick that makes your AI videos look way more professional. Alright, let's jump in. The tool we're going to use today is not just another simple AI video generator. Think of it more like an AI creative hub, where you can access over 30 different AI models for video and image generation. For example, models like Veo, Sora, Kling, and many others. Which means whether you're trying to create YouTube Shorts, long-form YouTube videos, TikTok content, Instagram Reels, you can do all of it from one single platform. But the part that surprised me the most? You can actually use it for free. No credit card, no monthly subscription, and in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to access it and start generating videos immediately. The platform we'll be using today is called Arena.ai. So let me open my browser and go to the website. Once you log in, you'll land on a pretty simple-looking dashboard. But don't let that simple interface fool you. Because behind the scenes, this platform gives you access to a lot of powerful AI tools. For example, you'll see options like AI web search, image generation, app building, research tools, and of course, AI video generation. For today's video, we're mainly going to focus on the video creation part. One thing I really like about this platform is that there are multiple ways to generate videos. For example, you can generate a video directly from a text prompt, or upload an image and turn that image into a moving video. Let me show you a quick example. Let's say I type a prompt like this: an astronaut walking through a glowing alien forest under a purple sky. Now I simply click Generate. At this point, the system starts processing the request. Usually it takes about 1 to 2 minutes. And something pretty cool happens here. Instead of giving you just one result, the system creates 2 different versions of the video at the same time. That way you can choose which one you like better. Once the videos are ready, you'll notice the motion looks smooth. The lighting and environment feel realistic. And sometimes it even includes audio. You can also download the videos for free. Sometimes there's a small watermark at the very end of the clip, but don't worry. I'll show you a simple way to remove that later during editing. Another interesting thing is that each time you generate a video, the system may use a different AI model behind the scenes. That's why sometimes your results will have slightly different styles. But honestly, that's actually a good thing, because it gives you more creative variety. Now let's talk about how you can turn this system into a YouTube automation channel. One content style that works extremely well right now is motivational storytelling. Why? Because the visuals are simple, the narration is powerful, and people tend to watch the entire video. Have you ever noticed something? Some storytelling videos on YouTube are very simple, yet they get millions of views. The first step is creating the story itself. For this, I usually use ChatGPT. For example, I might ask something like, write a short inspirational story about a young entrepreneur who fails multiple times before finally succeeding. Within seconds, the AI generates a complete story, and the cool part is that you can use it for short videos or longer YouTube content. Next, we break that story into multiple scenes. This is where a lot of people struggle. Have you ever had this problem? You generate several AI scenes, but the character looks completely different in each one. That breaks the visual consistency of the video. So what I do instead is use a structured prompt template. This template helps keep the same character, maintain the same visual style, keep the storytelling consistent, For this example, I'm choosing a soft 2D animated style. This type of visual works really well for storytelling channels. My prompt template usually includes 1. The story title. 2. The number of scenes. 3. The visual style. 4. A detailed character description. That way, the AI keeps the same character across all scenes. So all I have to do is paste the template into ChatGPT. Set the number of scenes. Choose the visual style. Then ChatGPT generates a detailed prompt for every scene. Now I copy the prompt for the first scene. I go back to Arena.ai, paste the prompt here, and click Generate. After about 1 to 2 minutes, the first scene video appears. Here's a very important trick. After generating the first scene, I take a screenshot from that video. Then, when generating the next scene, I upload that image as a reference. This helps the AI keep the same character and visual style. When you compare the scenes, you'll notice the character looks the same. The art style stays consistent, which makes the entire video feel like a real animated series. Right now, when I'm creating videos, each Gmail account only allows me to generate about 3 videos. After that, I have to wait until the next day before I can generate more. So what I usually do is create multiple Gmail accounts, just like I'm doing now, so I can keep making videos without waiting too long. I'm curious though, are you experiencing the same limitation? And if you happen to have a better trick or a smarter way to do this, or maybe any ideas that could improve this workflow, feel free to share it in the comments and let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Next, we need a voiceover. You can use tools like 11 Labs or any other text-to-speech tool. All you need to do is 1. Paste your script. 2. Choose a voice style. 3. Generate the audio. Within seconds, you'll have a natural-sounding narration for your video. Now that we have the video scenes, the voiceover, we can combine everything inside CapCut. The process is pretty simple. 1. Create a new project. 2. Import the video scenes. 3. Trim the watermark at the end. 4. Align the scenes with the voiceover. And just like that, you've created a complete AI video. The entire process only takes a few minutes. The best part about this workflow is that you're not locked into one niche. You can create motivational stories, horror stories, educational videos, and many other niches. The key is not copying someone else's video. The real value is understanding the AI video creation workflow. Once you understand that system, you can apply it to almost any niche you want.
这是什么 ？I'm ready. Wow! Look at that one! I'm gonna catch you!
Now I'm curious. If you were to use this system, what type of YouTube channel would you start? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, and share it with someone who's interested in AI content creation. And remember, if I can do this, you can definitely do it too. And probably even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.